To compete with the Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet offer to the Indian Navy, French firm Dassault Aviation has offered its Rafale Marine to the Indian Navy, that will have a commonality factor of 95% in terms of components and systems with the 36 Rafale operated by the Indian Air Force, that will reduce the need for additional ground equipment or tooling to maintain the Rafale fleet, and Indian Navy and Indian Air Force can save money with the standardization of aircraft. The weapons procured by Indian Air Force for its Rafale fleet can also be used on Rafale Marine and vice versa, which will reduce inventory management and boost interoperability of both forces. France has also offered its facility to the Indian Navy for its pilot training, if the Indian Air Force is not able to accommodate. The Indian Navy will soon commence the Project 18, under which it plans to build 6 next-generation stealth-guided missile destroyers of 13,000 ton at an estimated price of over 50,000 crores. Officials have said that conceptual studies are underway, and the next-generation destroyer will have 100% Indian-built content, as compared to 90% of Project 15B destroyers. The next-generation destroyers will provide a further jump in technology by employing ship-mounted laser weapon, high-power sensors, longer-range cruise missiles and hypersonic missiles. The Project 18 class destroyers are also a viable candidate for the sea-based element of India's ballistic missile defense shield, that will protect against short and intermediate-range ballistic missiles. DRDO's Combat Aircraft Systems Development and Integration Center has released a tender for the supply of detailed feasibility study for integration of electronic warfare suite on Su-30 aircraft, that must be completed within 6 months from the date of order. India has already started the process of Su-30 upgradation with minor components in phases with limited airframes. Under the Project Navchaksu, the Su-30 aircraft will be integrated with next-generation radar warning receiver, advanced self-protection jamming pod, and LH and RH high-band jammer pods. The DRDO has also initiated the process to identify a partner to fabricate 5 units of dual-color missile approach warning system, that will provide reliable capability to detect all approaching air-to-air and surface-to-air missiles of all generations. The Su-30 will also get dual-band infrared search and track system developed by Bharat Electronics Limited for air-to-air and air-to-ground target tracking and localization. The Chinese Army has tested an advanced multiple launch rocket system in the Xinjiang region close to the Indian border, that has a range of 500 kilometers, and Chinese state media has reported that China is likely to deploy the PHL-16 on the Indo-China border. Chinese Army also carried out a military exercise recently with Z-10 attack helicopters over the Pangong Lake. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that many Asian countries have expressed interest in the light combat helicopter, and the company is following up with countries for its export. HAL is in talks with the Philippines for the sale of advanced light helicopters, and have also signed a memorandum of understanding with Philippines Aerospace Development Corporation to facilitate the export of LCH and Tejas aircraft. Many Asian countries are keen to supplement Russian weapon platforms with Indian-made platforms due to Western sanctions, that includes Akash NG SAM and Swarm drones, while Armenia is interested to procure Indian-built counter-drone systems.